Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a diffuser slash humidifier, an essential oil set from OT4. This diffuser slash humidifier and oil set is perfect for helping you stay healthy and relaxed, and I am here to explain why. Alright, so today we are just going to give a few reviews, try to basically let you be aware of the features and the benefits. So basically we have some essential oils with it as well, and if you don't know what's an essential oil, these are basically fragrance that will benefit you in some way, so your health. It can enhance the aroma in your room wherever you wish to place it. You have different fragrances for different purposes. As you can see here, this one is rose and it really smells good, guys. We have a next one here which is white tea, and love these fragrances and all of them smell good, so you can definitely purchase this humidifier. I'll place a link in description, and I'm just gonna try it out to see if it actually works. Like, this is the first time I'm actually going to use this, guys, so bear with me. I have another book here. Oh, this is just some warranty details, but I have a manual here. Basically describe the different type of essential oils. So we have the rose, and what it states here on the booklet is that the rose is used for skincare with anti-aging, anti-wrinkle and moisturizing effect. It is suitable for all kinds of skin and has good effect. Alright, so that is the benefit of the essential oil, the rose one to be exact. We have the white tea as well. Can help improve anxiety. Oh my god! Wow! Purify indoor air, great for respiratory system and prevent respiratory infections. So I guess this can help with flu, sinus and those type of stuff. Yeah, so that's some of the benefits of that. We have ocean, and guys, smell this and may I tell you, say top notch. Like the ocean, it just have a clean, nice scent, and I definitely I gonna use this like after. Probably it gonna finish before the rest of them jasmine. So I really promote this, and as I stated, it's very nice, guys. I'm telling you, basic cell metabolism and cell regeneration. And we have jasmine as well, and the jasmine, it is the most effective prescription for severe depression. So if you have depression, you have any form of mental unstableness, you can definitely use the jasmine. So promote this, and as I stated, I'm going to get in trying it out, so just bear with me. Alright, so guys, as you can see here, we actually have the humidifier performing very well. It smells amazing. I must say that this rose fragrance actually smells nice, and as they state, it helps with your skin care. So definitely it's something prestigious to have in your apartment or your room or wheresoever. So I will place a link in my description so that you can actually go on Amazon and purchase it. It's for around 35 US dollars, so it's definitely a budget price, and yeah, it's really great.
Yes, definitely a product that you guys need to purchase and add to your room collection. Yeah. Let's kick.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you do like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to the channel. And if you do have any product for me to review, you can definitely drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely check it out. And for now, peace out.